Welcome to Cricut Design's Cricut 101. In this video, we are going to show you how to cut multiple colors of vinyl sheets all at once with Cricut. If you want to learn this technique, just keep on watching. When you try to cut multiple colors with any materials with Cricut, usually it will let you load and unload the mat color by color each time. But you can skip this whole process. Here's how. Step 1. Forget about the colors. Let's say you want to cut these three elements with different colors. All you have to do here is to change their color to white, like this. It does not have to be white, but personally, I like white because you can see the whole picture more clearly. Don't worry about the placement of these elements just yet, as you will be moving them around in the next step. After changing the color to white, hit Make It button on the top right corner. Step 2. Make boxes for your elements to settle in. When you landed on the Prepare page where you can see the preview, it is time to arrange your designs. By simply clicking and dragging, you can move around your designs one by one. Now, here's a tip. Mentally visualize a box to fit one of your elements in. For example, for this square shape, you can mentally visualize a 3x3 box on the mat right here. Go ahead and place your square shape right in the middle of this box. Next, making sure to not overlap the box you previously created, make another box where you can fit this star shape. In here, I created another 3x3 box right next to the previous box. Then, place the star shape in the middle of the new box. You can repeat this process until all of your design's elements have their own boxes. Be careful not to create these boxes too small. I recommend to have at least ½ of an inch of extra space around each element. Step 3. Cut materials accordingly. By using the preview you just created as a guide, cut and place materials onto your actual cutting mat. I used regular adhesive vinyls here. I cut 3 of 3x3 vinyls in 3 different colors. Then, carefully place these vinyl pieces onto the cutting mat by using the grid as a guide. Now you have placed vinyls where you mentally visualized each boxes. Voila! You are now ready to hit the cut button. Once you get used to cutting few simple shapes, you should be able to handle a bit more complex designs. Sometimes when I use one of my own designs, I ended up creating 4 to 6 different boxes with different sizes. It's like a puzzle, but when you can execute it carefully, I assure you, you can save so much time as a result. Speaking of my own designs, Cricut Design offers tons of free SVG designs on our website, and we add new designs each week. Make sure to subscribe, follow, and visit our website, cricutdesign.com, to download free SVG files. Hope this tutorial was helpful. See you next time!